All right, guys, we're going to work on subtracting mixed numbers. This is lesson 9.7. And your first step in subtracting mixed numbers is to write the mixed number as an improper fraction. So the problem that you're going to write down is 4 3/4 minus 1 1/4. Remember that you can pause it and finish everything if you need to. All right, guys, so our whole number is made into numerator and denominator are going to be the same number, and our denominator determines what it's going to be. So I have 4 whole numbers here. That means 4/4, 4/4, 4/4 plus 4/4. Okay. Then I take 3/4, and that would be 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay, that was 4 3/4. I'm going to put a 1 around it. That way it looks like a 1 whole. And 3/4 minus 1 1/4. Okay, we already have a lot here to work with. So before I subtract that, let's take a look at what we should do. The book does this. They add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 19/4. Okay. And now I need to make 1 1/4 into 1 whole would be 4/4. That would be 1. That's this. And 1/4. So what we do is we subtract 4 plus 1 here is 5, and our denominator is fourths. The operation we're working with is minus, so this is 19/4 minus 5/4. Okay, so step 1 was to make the mixed number into an improper fraction. That's 4 3/4 is 19/4. Then we have 1 1/4 is 5/4. Then step 2 is we can subtract. I have it written here, but I'm going to rewrite it down under the word subtract. 19/4, that's the value of 4 3/4, minus 5/4. 19 minus 5 equals 14/4. Okay, and then we have a third step. We can't leave that as an answer. We have to simplify. I'm going to let you write all this. And I think for you to understand this, I better do what the book did And that would be to make groups of 4. And here I go. This is 4, 8, 12, and I only need to color 13, 14. So I've colored 14 fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 fourths. That's going to get us our simplified answer. And the answer is 3 and 2 fourths. Okay, and we know that this is not a simplified answer yet because 2 fourths is equivalent to 1/2. The other way you find that is by dividing by the greatest common factor, divide by 2, divide by 2. All right, moving on. You're probably wondering why we have to take all these steps and make 4 fourths, 4 fourths plus 4 fourths plus 4 fourths, which would be 1, 1, 1, 1, which equals 4, and then decompose 3 fourths. Then do the same thing for 1 and 1/4. Why do we have to do this? Well, here it goes. We're going to do another example. Three and 4/6 minus 1 and 5/6. If I went across and I said 3 minus 1 equals 2, we can do it. But if we said 4 minus 5, we can't. We can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. And that's why we have to decompose our numbers. So let me get started with 3 and 4/6. And that would be 6/6 because the denominator determines. Sorry about the lawnmower, guys. Okay, so that is my whole number. 1, 2, 3. Then I still have to decompose 4/6 into unit fractions. Okay. Now I'm going to do a different color. Minus, hold on. I think I better do what the book does. I'm going to add all my numerators up and make an improper fraction. So, step 1, I am going to make an improper fraction. Make improper fractions. That's better. Okay, so you add 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We have 22/6. Okay, now we have to subtract 1 and 5/6. But I can't really do anything until...
It's a washroom break.
Sorry about me making a video meanwhile. All right, guys. I can't do anything until I decompose this. 6/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. And this is 1 whole. And then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Just like the book does, I'm going to add the numerators. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got 11/6. I've done step 1, which is to make improper fractions. Step 2, I'm going to subtract. And what that looks like is 22/6 minus 11/6. (22 minus 11 is 11. I have 11/6. It's still an improper fraction, so the third step is called simplify. And that would be 11/6. I'm going to draw some 6 here. Let's see. I think I could do it. Perfect. We have 6/6, and then I'm going to make 6 more. And I'm going to color. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This equals 1 and 5/6.